In this video, I'll show you how to check or see your pending Robux on Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and once you have done that, please consider leaving a like. And let's get right into this. So here we are currently on the Roblox app. Now at the moment, you can go and see your pending Robux in the Roblox app. So what you need to do is close off of it and go and open up a browser. So that could be a Safari, Chrome, it doesn't really matter. And this is going to work on any type of phone as well. So in this case, I will show you Safari and Chrome. So go into your browser and then go to roblox.com, just like so. Then once you are here, you will need to go and tap on continue in browser at the bottom, just like this. And then it's going to go and take you to the Roblox page. Now you're going to need to go and sign into your Roblox account as well. I'm already signed in. Then what you need to do is go to the bottom left. If you're using Safari, and tap into 2A's like so, and then go into tap in request desktop site like this. And to do that in Chrome, it's very similar. And to request a desktop site in Google Chrome, all you need to do is tap into 3 dots in the bottom right, or maybe the top right for you, and then it's going to go and open up this menu here. And what you need to do is scroll down until you see the option for request desktop site, just like that. And then you will need to do the exact same thing, press login and go and sign in into your Roblox account. And so once you're logged into your Roblox account on the browser, then what you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on the Robux icon like so. And then as you can see, we can go and see our current Robux balance by Robux. All you need to do is tap on your Roblox balance just like this. And then it's going to go take a moment to load. And here we are on my transactions page. Then what you can do is scroll down. As you can see here is pending Robux. Currently I've got 0, but you may have some there. Robux is going to pend, I think, for a minimum of 3 days and then maybe up to 30. And pending Robux is basically an anti-abuse measure just to make Roblox a safer place. So yeah, once it's finished pending, it's going to automatically be added to your balance. And that's it, guys. If you find this video useful, please leave me a like.